Welcome back. This is the 6th lesson of English for Beginners. Describing things. تشريح وتوزيع أشياء. درس ششم. You're watching learnenglish.i.a.s. My name is Imabali Safari. Opinion adjectives. Now today we are going to talk about adjectives that describes things, but those adjectives modifies opinions. The first one is nice. Nice, خوب، دلپسند. So nice is different meaning, right? Nice. Fun, سرگرمی. Fun. Lovely, دوست داشتنی. Delicious, مزه‌دار. Exciting, هیجان انگیز، هیجان کننده. Exciting. You're so nice. You're a nice man. یک مرد خوب هستی. Let's have fun, right? Or today is lovely. Today is a lovely day. You cooked a delicious food. The match was exciting. We are so exciting to watch the match. Thrilling. Thrilling, it means لرزان, right? Interesting. دلچسب. Respectable. قابل احترام یا بهترام. قابل احترام. Respectable. Special و معنی خاص. For example, you are special to me, or he is very respectable. And the painting is interesting, or it's thrilling. It is thrilling. Graceful, it means rana ya dilraba, or also you can say zeba. Pleasant, خوشایند. Pleasant. Useful, مفید. Important, مهم. Relaxing, آرام بخش. Relaxing. Harmless, بی ضرر. Harmless. Frightening, ترسناک. ترسناک. Shocking, تکان دهنده. Irritating, اذیت کننده. Annoying, رنجاور یا آزاردهنده. Horrible means زشت. زشت. Nasty, bad. Old fashioned, قدیمی، سابقه. Unpleasant, ناخوشایند. Unpleasant. Disastrous, مصیبت آمیز. Useless, بیکاره. Stunning, مدهوش کننده یا دلفریب، بسیار عالی. Stunning. Magnificent, it means باشکوه یا مجلل. Pretty, قشنگ. Beautiful, زیبا. Disgusting, بدمزه. بسیار زیاد خراب باشه. Disgusting. Boring, خسته کننده. Boring. Like the food is disgusting. It tastes very bad. It means tastes very bad. Boring, it means خسته کننده. Today is boring. Ugly, بدقواره. It's an ugly building. Or he's ugly. بدقواره است. Strange, it means یک چیزی کاملا متفاوت. Right? متفاوت یا بیگانه. Strange or odd. Oat means talk. Confusing. Giç kununda. Your question is confusing. Savunatı giç kunundas. Confusing. Tiring. Tiring. Hasta kununda. Tiring. Let's see. Now these are the words that expresses something is good, right? Good. Like remarkable, extraordinary, breathtaking, outstanding, wonderful, amazing, fantastic, great, superb, brilliant, or incredible. These words expresses that something is good. این کلمات همش خوب معنا میده. چیزی که بسیار عالی باشه میتونیم از کلمات استفاده کنیم. خوب. Okay, these words expresses that something is not good or something is bad, right? Okay, like awful, terrible, disappointing, or mediocre, or mediocre. These words are modifying that something is bad. So thank you very much. It was the 6th lesson of our English for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something. Keep practicing and practice.